I believe lighting is, artistic and scientific. It's got a combination of both that we're trying to do. Is you need the science side of it where we're building out products that are going to last and have great light quality, but then the artistic side of creating a scene that you don't notice the lighting, where it just feels comfortable. And great lighting, typically people don't notice the lighting, they just say, I feel very comfortable in this situation. And in fact, there was a study done, it was done by one of the restaurants, Rainforest Cafe, that they were looking to see where do people feel most comfortable, because they put in color changing lights and they actually lost business. And then after the study, they found most people feel comfortable around a campfire, just that warm glow. And so we want to create it in a natural way and make it feel comfortable. So when you're sitting in your backyard or you come pulling in your driveway, it looks beautiful, it looks elegant, and really stands out. And I'll show you the second side of that is the product, as I fall onto the chair. So when I said I didn't like the quality of products being made, so many of them are being made that they were lightweight, they're aluminum, they were made out of materials that didn't last. And if we're going to spend this much time building out and designing something special, we want the products to last. And so this is one of our downlights here.
Wow.
So they're real heavy duty.
Yeah, they are.
What's unique about it is the light output. I'm a lighting designer, so I'm going to make a light fixture. I focus on light output. So it's got perfect light output. 97 to 99 CRI just means it's got great lighting in it. If we have great light quality and we control it, then things look more natural. We're able to pick up a lot more colors. Like a typical tree, just in a leaf, might have 5 different shades of green in one leaf. And if we could pick all of that up, it looks more vibrant and beautiful. It's like high definition television. So,
And these are made out of?
These are solid brass.
Oh, wow.
And
you could color brass.
Yeah, so they last a long time. And the big design difference is most lights are either retrofit, where they just put a lamp into it. That's nice because it's easy to service, but you have issues that down the road, you're constantly servicing them. They don't last as long, you get half the life. Where they make an integrated light, so if a little electronic goes out in this, you throw the whole light away. In my opinion, that's like the most wasteful thing, because if you have a big heavy duty like this and you lose a $5 electronic piece, you shouldn't throw the whole light away. So we made all of ours serviceable. So if this 10 years down the road, the lamp goes out, we can unscrew it, screw a new one in, and then you keep this heavy duty casing on it.